Okay, so get this. You're interested in like AI and robots and maybe baking.
Baking.
Yeah. So in this video,
Mm-hmm.
right, the CEO of NVIDIA, he unveils this powerful new AI computer
Okay.
and like pulls it out of an oven.
But out of an oven?
Yeah.
That's a new one. Yeah, that's pretty dramatic.
Pretty dramatic reveal, right?
Yeah, it is.
So that's what we're going to deep dive into today.
Okay, sounds good.
This NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super.
All right.
It's supposedly incredibly powerful
Okay.
for its size and cost.
Yeah, I've heard good things about it, actually.
Yeah, I was watching this video, and this thing is TINY.
Oh, yeah.
Like, he actually called it, the CEO called it shrunk,
Shrunked. I like that.
which I think is a pretty accurate way to describe it.
Yeah.
It's wild to think that something that small can run complex AI models.
Well, that's the thing, right? The technology is getting so much more
Yeah.
compact and so much more powerful.
Yeah, and so they're talking about it running things like, those super smart chatbots.
Exactly. Large language models.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what makes this so exciting, right? This much power in such a small, affordable package.
Yeah,
I think they said it's only like $249 or something like that.
that's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's a game changer. Imagine, like, anyone can just tinker with AI now.
Right.
Build their own robots.
Yeah.
Start a business based on this technology.
Yeah, he was talking about all sorts of robots that this could power.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Like robots on wheels, robots with legs.
Okay.
You even mentioned humanoid robots. Yeah, it's getting crazy.
So it seems like NVIDIA is really pushing towards that robotics revolution, huh?
Yeah, it feels like all that sci-fi stuff is
Yeah.
becoming reality.
I know. And think about robots that could like learn and adapt in real time,
Yeah,
becoming more versatile and capable.
yeah,
Instead of just following instructions,
yeah,
they're figuring things out as they go. That's the real power of this.
yeah. And he kept using this term, I don't know if you've heard it, but
Yeah.
agentic AI.
Yeah, agentic AI. That's where things get really interesting.
And what does that even mean?
So it's all about AI systems, or robots in this case, that can like reason and plan.
Okay.
So imagine making decisions and taking actions based on how they understand the world.
Okay.
It's not just about following orders anymore. It's more like
All right.
they're becoming partners with us
Okay.
and solving problems, but in a more human-like way.
So it's not just about the hardware, it's really the software that makes this.
Right. Well, they both play a part.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the potential of this agentic AI.
Yeah, and he even said that this tiny computer can run everything that the much larger
Really?
and more expensive HGX system can.
Wow. I mean, that just goes to show how fast AI hardware is advancing.
Yeah.
More power, lower cost, and smaller size. That's what's driving it forward.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's becoming so much more accessible now,
Yeah.
which I think is great for development, right? Like it opens up
Yeah.
a lot more possibilities.
Yeah, he mentions a few things in the video, and I wasn't too familiar with them. Maybe you can break them down for us.
Sure.
CUDA, CNM, and TNR.
Okay. Yeah, those are some technical terms, but they're actually really good
Okay.
if you're interested in building with this tech.
Okay.
CUDA, for example, is like a platform
Okay.
that makes writing software for AI much easier. Like if you're not a coding expert or something like that.
Oh, what?
It's basically a toolkit designed specifically for AI. And CNM and TNR are similar.
Okay.
They're specialized software libraries that help developers build and use AI applications.
Okay.
So the fact that this Orin Nano supports all of this stuff is
Yeah.
really, really helpful for development.
So essentially, this little computer could be the brains of a robot,
Yeah, pretty much.
a powerful workstation,
Yeah.
and even help create AI that can think and plan.
Uh-huh. That's right.
That's a lot of potential for something so small.
Yeah, and that's what makes it so exciting. This Jetson Orin Nano Super is a huge leap forward, and it's making AI and robotics development accessible to so many people.
It's pretty wild to think about.
I know it is. The applications are pretty much limitless.
Yeah.
And what's really fascinating is what people will come up with,
Yeah.
Like personalized education, smart homes that anticipate your needs.
Yeah.
Maybe even new forms of art and entertainment powered by AI.
It's pretty amazing.
It is. It's all within reach now.
So it really gets you thinking, with all this power becoming readily available, what will you create?
What will you create? Yeah, that's the question.
Yeah, it's a good one.
It is a good one.
So we'll see.
Well, if you want to see more about it, see what this thing can actually do, head over to NVIDIA's YouTube channel. Check out their video, I Love AI. And if you want to keep learning about all this cool AI stuff, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, I Love AI.
Definitely.
It's going to be an interesting future.
Very interesting.
For sure.
Yeah.